a golden day at the heart of the city. Meet the warmest people like part of your family at Golden Prince Hotel. On a business trip or on a holiday, relax and get a golden brand of hospitality at Golden Prince Hotel. We will go the extra mile, cause you deserve it all. We welcome you with open arms, so come and feel at home at Golden Prince. Experience the golden brand of hospitality. Oh, at Golden Prince, you'll always feel the royal pampering reserved for you. Mula Maayong good is a Golden Prince Hotel. At Golden Prince, experience the golden brand of hospitality. Oh, at Golden Prince, you'll always feel the royal pampering reserved for you. Mula Maayong good is a Golden Prince Hotel. At Golden Prince, experience the golden brand of hospitality. Oh, at Golden Prince, you'll always feel the royal pampering reserved for you. Mula Maayong good is a Golden Prince Hotel. At Golden Prince, experience the golden brand of hospitality. Oh, at Golden Prince, you'll always feel the royal pampering reserved for you. For a homey stay, come to Golden Prince. Alam ka ni mo sa Golden